change a few settings. Set, ride mode, off-road. Good to go.
So our mission today was to see how 2-Up would go on the KTM 390 adventure riding up the Tikino Ski field road. Why, you may ask? Quite simply, we wanted to see if we could do it, so we knew that we could go adventuring together on this bike, should we want to.
That was uneventful.
The road part of our trip was fine. From a rider's perspective, there was no problem with 2-Up on this bike.
Oh, the road part was good. Not a problem.
We travelled at 100 kilometres an hour, just didn't really worry about it at all.
And an important sign. What does the important sign say? Danger. No two-wheel drive vehicles beyond this point. Bit of sand coming up, hold on. Did you hold on? Alright, I'm going to try standing up, 2-Up. Bump, 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 bump. Bump. That was pretty easy. It's pretty misty. There's not going to be any sense of how high we are. Oh, look at the mountains starting to appear. Oh, that's so nice. Wow. Oh wow, we've cleared the mist.
This is probably one of the steepest parts of the track, and as usual the GoPro really flattens it out, but the KTM 390 2-Up handled it with ease. Yes, I was pretty impressed, and not just with the view.
I didn't look at the rock like I was like, don't look at the rock, don't look at the rock. Look at that. That is awesome. We're now trying it with traction control off.
There was nothing wrong with 2-Up going up the hill. Now Juliet was on the back. Let's get her impression of how it felt sitting on the KTM 390 compared to our GS 800. So what did you think, Juliet?
I was fine on the back. We got up the top with no worries. I didn't feel like I was falling off at all. Yeah, I found it really comfortable. I just held the hand grip so I didn't get bumped around too much. And it was good. It's great for what we like to do on the bike. I don't know if I'd go on it all day long, on a big long trip, but for just playing up on the mountain and little trips around the place, it's fine. There was plenty of room on there for me, but I'm not a very big person.
Shut. It's the end of our ride. Shall we go back down the hill? Take some photos. Hop on, missus. You delicate wee flower, you. The mighty Narahui. You need to take another photo. I can. Oh look, the mountain's hiding now. Right. Don't panic. No, I'm telling myself. Yeah. I'm just joking with you. I got to go fast enough so we don't tip over. I tell you, it's this bike is so easy to bring up and down hills. Are you feeling good? Look, one hand. It's just amazing how high we are, eh? It's like you don't realise it. This is the steep part. I'm going to go up that little bank there. You're going to hold on? This little bank.
On our adventuring, we do like to take some photos. So here is a few of the ones we took today. Mostly Juliet on the camera this time. You happy now, my darling?
Yes.
Da 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 da. I know what. Do you want to hold it and I'll come splashing through that puddle? Do you want to just go and film me? Wow. Why would you get wet? Yeah. I don't want to get wet. Now we can go home. Are you ready? You want to get wet? No.
So anyway, that was our day 2 up Tikino Ski Field. We really enjoyed it. We think we're going to be able to put this bike in the trailer and take it on holidays with us. And we can adventure around the areas where we're camping. The other thing I'll have to add here is we might not actually ever be 2 up again, because I think I've just lost this bike to my wife.
I'm going to say our 2 up on the KTM 390 experiment worked really well. Yeah. And we think it's great for exploring and adventuring and off-roading. Well, everything we've done. Can't think of anything else to say. Oh, I just got to reset the back to road ABS. Set ride mode, street, back, motorcycle. I'm getting better at this. Oh, set road, set. There, back on road. Here we go. 40 k's home.
So this is actually the first time we've tried to voice over together. It was fun. Anyway, we'll catch you next time.
And thanks for watching, and I'm stealing his bike.